Learn about making money online with this video. If you experience trouble finding employment in this economy, you are not alone. So why not join the many that have turned to the internet to find work? For some, the internet is a way to make a little pocket money, but for others it's a full-time job. Read on for great online money-making tips. Look out for scams. There are so many options for online income, but some are not that attractive. Do some research online to see what others have to say about any company or website that you are interested in working for. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Google ways to make money online. You will surely get a lot of results and options. After you identify something of interest to you, make sure to perform your due diligence before jumping in. No matter what it is picked, be careful with it. Now you should have a better idea of why and how many people are turning to the internet to make money. Turning the potential of the internet into extra cash can be easy when you have good advice to follow. The preceding suggestions may be just what you need. Refer to these tips and learn from other sources. Soon the internet will be your oyster. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.